Hello guys, this is a tutorial video on how to draw 2D shapes. Now you probably already know how to draw 2D shapes, but if you don't, this is a tutorial on how to. First, we will draw a square. So take your pencil on your paper and draw a straight line down. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but it has to be pretty straight. Then you take another line, make it pretty much the same size as the first line you drew, but going sideways. Either way is fine. Then you draw a line going up from the corner of the bottom line that you drew, going all the way up to the height of the first line that you drew. Then connect them with another line straight down, like over like that. Boom, you have a square. So now let's draw a triangle. So, triangle, you probably want to start off by drawing a straight line, but on the bottom, like the square. And then you take your pencil and draw a diagonal line going up, so it's sideways, not sideways like this, not going up like that either, like in the middle. Then you take your pencil and go up again, connecting it to that other line that you drew. And boom, you have a triangle. Now we're going to draw a rectangle. So it's just like the square. You start by drawing a straight line up. But this time, I'm going to turn my paper for now. Instead of going the same length, you go a little more or a little less than the length of this one. So I'm just going to go with that. Then draw another line that's the exact same length as the second line that you drew. And then you connect the two lines and boom, you have a rectangle. Now we're going to draw a rhombus / diamond. So we're going to draw kind of like this line on the triangle and basically make a triangle, except don't put the bottom line on it, because now we're going to turn it over or just do this, either one, and make a triangle again on the other side of it. And then, boom, you have a diamond / rhombus. And it's not the best in the world, but it's a triangle rhombus thing. I'm getting my words mixed up. There you have it. That's how you draw 2D shapes. And these are not all the 2D shapes. I might make more videos on different 2D shapes, but these are just the basic 2D shapes. Thanks for watching, and watch more tutorial videos, please. And now I'm ending it.